Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, the Just Smell Better channel, the best fragrance channel in the world. Today we have a huge unboxing. I just received my package from Joma Shop and I just got finished recording my TikToks and my Instagram reels. So now it is time to make my YouTube unboxing slash review first impressions. This is kind of like secondary impressions because I've already smelled them, but this is the full review of my brand new colognes. So if you saw my blind buying shopping haul on Joma Shop, you know the colognes that I bought. The first one is this huge one called Game of Spades Wild Card. There's a clone of Lafayette Street, but this was an expensive clone. It was like $65. And before we start unboxing, I want to announce a giveaway that I'm doing. It's going to be on my fragrance sampling store, smellbettersamples.com. If you make any order, it doesn't matter if it's a $3 sample of Latafa or a $50 sample of Bond number 9. It doesn't matter how many samples you order. As long as you make an order, you are entered to win my Coach Green giveaway. Yes, I'm giving away my own bottle, my 1.7 ounce bottle of Coach Green. From today, October 18 to next Friday, October 25, doesn't matter when you make the order, I'm gonna wait till the last day to package all the orders, and I'm literally just gonna sneak in Coach Green into one random package. So make sure you're just smelling better by buying some fragrance samples from smellbettersamples.com to enter the giveaway. Now let's start unboxing Game of Spades Wild Card. This is some weird box because look at the way it opens. I don't want to drop this, but it's actually pretty strong. This is Joe Milano Wild Card, Game of Spades. I'm a big fan of like the spades, the clubs, the hearts, anything that has to do with cards, because I used to do magic. I used to do magic with cards, and now I play a little bit of blackjack myself. So I've always been a big fan of cards. But that's enough yapping. Let's see how this fragrance actually smells. Here we go. Atomizer is really good. The smell, I don't know exactly what it is. I don't know if I like it. Like, I'm not completely shocked by anything. It doesn't smell extremely good or extremely bad. It's just there, you know. It smells like a little bit of ambroxan, but toned down with like some florals or some, I don't know what it is, bro. It smells like a cleaner version of Dior Sauvage. This is like what they try to do with Dior Sauvage Eau Forte, if you get what I mean. Like, they toned it down with some water and some soap. I didn't read the notes on Fragrantica, which I probably should have. Let me look them up right now because I don't know exactly what this smells like. So Fragrantica doesn't actually have this one on their website, which is extremely rare. I feel like they have every single cologne, but from what I saw on Google, it's like woody and musky, and it has jasmine, which I don't know what jasmine smells like. So I guess that is the florals that I am picking up. If this is supposed to smell like Lafayette Street, then I don't know if I would buy it. Like I said, I tried Lafayette Street on the mall, and I wasn't impressed by anything. So I don't get the hype for the $300 cologne Lafayette Street. I don't get the hype at all, especially if it smells like this. Like, it's not bad. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad. It's not a bad fragrance at all. Like, this would probably be half of my collection. Like, it's decent, it's good. But for the hype that I was expecting, it's nothing special. Maybe we need to spray it on skin. I get a little bit of lemon, kind of like Versace Eros Energy, which I know most people are not gonna like because you guys hate on Versace Eros Energy, but nothing special. This is a unisex cologne, so I'm gonna see what my girl thinks about it. But for right now, first impressions, I'm gonna give it a solid 6 out of 10. I feel like it has potential, but I need something more from it. Like, it needs to prove itself. So that was Game of Spades Wild Cards. Can be available in my sample store if you want to sample it out with me. Let's go on to the next one. I think we should do Afnan 9 p.m. and then we go to Mancera Oud Lemon Mint, which they are together. But here's Afnan 9 p.m. This is a tester bottle. I've never bought a tester bottle, actually. This was the first one, and I only did it because, like, it's Afnan 9 p.m. Like, I don't need a good presentation. I don't need, the bottle's already ass. Like, it looks bad. So why would I get the real thing when it's like $10 more expensive, you know? Here is the bottle. Ugly ass bottle, bro. Like, who wants a big ass 9 on their bottle? Like, bro, this one's another clone. This is a clone of Jean Paul Gaultier Ultra Male, one of the most hyped, popular scents in the industry, and I know everyone knows about it already because this has such hype on TikTok. Like you can't scroll on fragrance TikTok without seeing this on the TikTok shop, and everyone's like, yo, buy this, it's only $20 on my TikTok shop. Click the link in the box so that I can get commission. Everyone hypes this one up, and I'm not a big fan of Jump Bucketeer Ultra Milk, but I gotta be honest, this one is actually wearable. It takes the Jump Bucketeer Ultra Milk DNA, which is, oh shit, I just got a bunch of like spices in my mouth. It tastes like cinnamon. It keeps that same sweet bubblegum DNA, but in my opinion, tones it down just a bit that it actually makes it wearable. I told the story of me wearing Jump Bucketeer on Christmas, and it was in my own house, and I wanted to like take a shower right away because I felt like I was stinking up my own house. Like it was so strong, so overpowering, and I felt it made me feel uncomfortable, you know, in Christmas wearing such a strong, especially feminine cologne. Like I did not want to smell like that anymore. But it actually, like I would actually wear this one. I would actually wear it. I don't know where I would wear it, but I would wear it, especially now that the cold season is starting to come up. I feel like this is such a unique scent, like such a unique DNA. Like I remember Jeremy Fragrance saying that a girl told him she hates him because he smells so good, and he was wearing Ultra Milk. Like it's such a revolutionary scent in the fragrance industry, and for that I do give it its props. I do respect it, but this is one rare case where the dupe, the clone, is actually better than the original. And it depends on the nose. For my nose, that is true, that is a fact. But for other noses, Jump Bucketeer is levels above Afnan 9PM. But this is my channel, this is my opinion, and in my opinion, Afnan 9PM is the better cologne when it comes to, you know, the sweet bubblegum scent. So I do give it its props. Afnan 9PM, it cost me like 30 bucks. 7 out of 10 for the price, for what it does, and for taking a sweet but sexy scent and actually making it wearable. That's where it gets all of its points for making a really good scent wearable. So Afnan 9PM, it gets a 7 out of 10 from me. So Afnan 9PM, a good blind buy. This blind buying session is going pretty good. This is gonna be available on my fragrance sample store for like $2.50. I'm gonna do that for you guys. $2.50 on my sample store for 3 milliliters, and I'll do the huge 10 milliliters for like $6. That's an amazing deal, bro. $6 if you want 10 milliliters of this. But now let's start unboxing the riskiest one, Mancera Oud Lemon Mint. The reason I'm saying that this one is risky is because not only is it niche, Mancera is niche if you didn't know, but this is Oud Lemon Mint, and Oud is such a weird note, bro. It smells like sometimes it can smell like weird, bro, like dirty feces. But the reason I bought it is for the lemon mint. I bought it for the lemon mint in the name. So let's see what it actually smells like. Here we go. Here it is, the beautiful bottle of Mancera Oud Lemon Mint. I do love the color grading. The presentation is amazing. I'm a big fan of the bottle, and it's one of the reasons why it made me buy it. So let's spray it and let's see if I wasted my money buying Mancera Oud Lemon Mint. I smell the lemon and I smell the mint. So that's plus points already. That's what I wanted to smell, the lemon and the mint. And then I do get a woody, masculine smell, like some musk, you know, something woody. Like if I'm in a forest, which I'm guessing that is the oud. That is the oud. Like I've never had an oud fragrance, but I smelled it on the stores and I was not a big fan of them. I forgot which one I tried out. It was probably like a Tom Ford or something, but this one's actually pretty good, not gonna lie. So on my skin, it's a little bit darker, like the lemon and the mint isn't present there anymore. I feel like it's alcohol and oud, like some woodiness, but it's nothing extremely strong, extremely polarizing like I thought it would be. Like the comments were saying, some people love this one and some people were hating on it. Like they said this was the worst cologne they've ever smelled. It smells really good, really wearable. I do love it so much. So this can be, I feel like this is a good fall fragrance, spring, summer, maybe not winter because of the lemon and the mint, but it's It's definitely a good cologne, and I'm really impressed by this, and I'm so glad. I am so glad I did not waste my money. I believe this is my third niche fragrance. It was on the cheaper side. This was only $10 more than Game of Spades, which is a cologne, so it doesn't make sense. But this is my third niche fragrance, and I do give it a solid 8 out of 10 for right now. An 8 out of 10 is really, really good. If you know me, my scores are tough. And an 8 out of 10 is really good. So Oud Lemon Mint by Mancera. It's a good blind buy, and this can be available in my sample store too. I'll see how I price it, but this is good, bro. Like this one's actually really good. I'm so happy with it. So that was this blind buying session, this blind buying haul. Let me know which one was your favorite one, which one you would buy. Would it be Afnan 9 p.m., Game of Spades wild card, or Oud Lemon Mint by Mancera? And yeah, these are all going to be available on my sample store. Make sure to buy a sample to enter the Coach Green giveaway. And yeah, you got until September 25 to enter the giveaway. Good luck. Thank you for watching, and just smell better.